goddamn. We fucking got.
But I did not see out there. But y'all can tell by the title and thumbnail of today's video, I'm finna be installing one of the loudest cold air intakes ever to be made on my car. Stop the right now! But before I do that, I gotta take the battery out of my car. So let's go do that.
Bro, why is it every time I get ready to work on this car, bro, it's cold? Like, it don't never be hot. It's always cold. Y'all seen the last video. Y'all seen how the 318 goblin look. I'm getting ready to unreveal 318 goblin right now. Alright, y'all, so now I have to pop the trunk, lift the trunk up, take off the battery so I can start the car. I can't do nothing without starting the car. I can't show y'all how it sounds. Today is the day that it might come at the light, that I might be able to drive the car around the block for the first time. I'm finna get ready to take off the battery, bro. I'm gonna get back with y'all after I take off the battery and getting ready to take it to the AutoZone so I can go get it charged. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, y'all, so I'm on the way to AutoZone right now because I had to get a battery booster for my car. To start my car, I had to get a battery booster or I just go buy a new battery. And I'm not finna spend $200 on a new battery today, bro.
Nigga, what?
Now I already gotta spend like $300 something tomorrow on my car.
Nigga, what?
So yeah, and I'll get back with y'all once I get the AutoZone and buying a battery booster for my car. Alright, y'all, so I have started up the 318 Goblin for the first time forever because I bought a new battery. And bro, when I tell you it will run, it's running. As y'all can hear, bro, we came a long way. We came a long way.
Boy, if you don't get.
Y'all hear what it sound like now? Now let's see what it sound like with that new cold air intake on. So I'm finna go ahead and install it and put that on. We finna see what it sound like then. Alright, y'all, so I have installed the intake, bro. Look at that bit.
What the f is that?
I built the race car and I have a race car, bro.
Don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
I got a race car now. It's no if, ands, or but. I got a race car now. It's a race car, bro.
What?
We finna see what it sound like with the new intake on. Hopefully this must sound raw. I'm finna put this rope on. I'm finna start it up and see what it sound like. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all. Here go the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Gotta give it some gas, see what it sound like for real, bro. Oh my god, baby. Y'all hear it? That bitch sound crazy, bro. That bitch sound nasty, bro. That one sound nasty. Oh my god, I'm already loving my intake on this. Oh my god, I'm already loving it. I love this car stuff. I wouldn't trade this for nothing, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna have to catch you for day 2 because this not it for the video, bro. It's not it. We got a lot more stuff coming in for y'all, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so it's currently day 2 and it's not cold outside for the first time. It's actually warm outside, bro, and we finna get to work for today, so let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, y'all, so while I have been working, this is how far I got since I've been doing this. I'm calling like a striker, bro.
Holy Jesus.
Real life striker, dog. Definitely need to get some new seats.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
So y'all better make sure y'all hitting that like button and subscribe button. But I'm finna snap and all this finna be cleaned up, bro. Just like this. Alright, as y'all remember in the last scenes, bro, this was not looking like this, bro. But we ain't finished yet. I still got some more stuff I'm gonna do. I'm trying to get y'all POVs, but I don't know like where to set y'all. If it look like I'm crying, I'm not.
What?
It's just the air, the cold weather.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But I'm trying to set y'all up to where y'all can like POVs of me working, cause I bet y'all like, I wanna see, bro. Let me see, Toad. Let me see what you doing. Let me see you work on magic. I probably can set y'all up in the car. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so y'all ain't ready to see this, bro. I've been working, I've been grinding to get this car right, bro. To get this car right for the summer. But here you go, bro. This is what we looking at. Bro, at first, bro, this was not looking like this, bro. This is big and span and clean.
How? Hold on, bro.
Look how clean this is. Like, even look at the steering wheel, bro.
How?
Like, all this is clean now. Hey, all you gotta do is put your mind to it and you can do anything you wanna do. My car was looking like it wasn't no coming back from it. Hey, it's clean, for clean. Now I'm finna start on the other side, get the other side finished. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, y'all, so I got this dash kit I'm finna install because the one I got right now, but just look at it, bro. Just look at it.
Come on now, dog.
I'm finna install this new dash kit so I can hook my radio up and have it looking decent instead of looking like NIGGGA did it. Yeah, I did do that. I did. Get to it, bro. Alright, y'all, so I have installed the dash kit, bro. And this mug looking mad tough. You can't tell me that don't look mad tough, bro. Alright, so I'm finna put this seat back in, finna put the driver's seat back in, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so I done got the seat in now. This one I'm working with now. Inside clean. We clean, just other than this seat, bro. Everything good. But that's it. That's it, bro. That's it for today's video. Y'all stay tuned for next video. Next video, I should be driving a 318 Goblin. But we done came a long way. So y'all keep watching the journey. Keep watching me do this. Come on.